What's going on, guys? Cobbledy here once again. Today we've got a couple of pair of ladies' shoes in for repair. We've got some Christian Louboutins and some Valentinos. So what we're going to be doing with these is adding some sole protectors and sorting out all the heels. So we've popped on some Casale red mirror bottom soles and Casale heels on the Louboutins, and for the Valentinos we went for a vibrant sole Casale heels for them. Give them a little clean up, tidy up, and now they're ready to hit the town. Alright guys, as always, thank you so much for checking these videos out. You guys are legends, each and every one of you, mad respect to you. So I've been Cobbler G. If you guys are new here, I'm doing new videos all the time. So don't forget to hit that subscribe, smash that like, and drop a little comment. Let me know what you think about the job below. Alright guys, until the next one, peace.